What's going on, everybody? So I'm back in the video. Hope everyone's having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 hidden tips and tricks that you may not know for iOS 15. So there's tons of videos out there on YouTube. You guys probably already know some of these, but I thought I showed you guys in this video. So the very first trick I have for you guys is if you're trying to identify a song that you hear on the radio or just in public. Originally, for most people, they would use the Shazam application, which is what I usually used, but I actually didn't know that you guys can actually have a quick access in your control center. So if you guys go to your settings application, you guys go into control center, you have a new option right here to add the music recognition. So I'm going to remove it. There it is. So whenever you hear a song on the radio, you can pull down control center, tap on the Shazam icon, and it's going to immediately detect the song. So it's more of a easier and quick access to recognize your music. The second trick I have for you guys is if you go back into your settings application and then you go into the accessibilities tab and then you go to touch, scroll all the way down, you just see something called a back tab right here. So you have the option to have some cool little gestures if you double tap or triple tap the back of your iPhone right here. So if I go to double tap, you have the option to open up your control center, camera, your app switcher, flashlight, and a bunch of other things as well, like Siri, and so on. So I'm gonna use flashlight for this video, and it actually works. It works okay. It works like maybe like 75% of the time. I do have a case on and it still does work. So I'm gonna double tap to show you guys if it works. So like I said, works like 75% of the time. Double tap to turn off. Didn't work. There you guys have it. Try again. Double tap and turn it off. So there you guys have it. This is a cool little back tap feature if you guys didn't know this on iOS 15. The third tip I have for you guys, or trick, is if you actually open up your map application and you're trying to zoom in on the map. Usually for most people, they use like their 2 thumbs and zoom in, but if you only have the kind of access to like one hand, you can actually double tap the screen and then you can swipe up and down just like this. So I'm gonna show you guys again. So just double tap, and then when you second tap it, just hold it on the screen, double tap, hold, and then you guys are going to be able to zoom in. So this is if you only just kind of have access to one hand and you need to zoom in on the maps on your application right here. The fourth tip I have for you guys is if you're actually trying to save images from the Safari application. For example, I have some wallpapers that I want to save, and you want to save like multiple of them, but you don't want to do it individually because that would probably take forever. You guys can actually just tap and hold on to an image, just kind of move it to the side, so just like this, and then you guys can tap on whatever images you want and then back out, go to your photos application, let go. It's going to automatically save all those wallpapers for you. Same exact thing if you want to open up your message applications and transfer there instead of your photos library, you're able to do that as well. And the very last tip I have for you guys is if you go to your settings application right here and then you want to actually go into your camera application. So there it is. You want to go into formats and you want to set to most compatible, just because high efficiency, although it technically could be better, a lot of applications don't actually support their file size. As you guys will see right here, it says most compatible. We'll always use jpeg.h264, which is what like most programs, or personally what I use instead. So set it to most compatible. And also your record video, you guys probably want to set it to 4K. There is 1080p, 720p, but why would you want that when you have the option to record in 4K? It does take more space up, but like I said, it's a lot better. So set it to 4K at 30 FPS, or if you want the cinematic mode look, then go for 24 FPS. So there you guys have it. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys want more videos like this, just kind of me showing you guys hidden tips and tricks on iOS 15, let me know down below in the comment section. If you did enjoy this video, drop a like on it, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you guys never miss a video. That's basically it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.